What?
Hoover, we need you to go to Brazil.
Brazil? Why?
The cocaine is stored there. Get a bodyguard. Someone you trust.
Alright, well, I'll head over to Brazil.
So why have you brought me here?
Well, son, time for your final interview.
Okay, let's dance. God damn it.
You'll do well.
Fine. So what's the job?
We'll stay on top of the presidency. Although the methods we use may be illegal, well, you gotta break a few eggs to make an omelet.
Alright, I guess.
Get up.
We need to find somewhere to hide first.
Alright, you need to give me a second. I need to do something. How you feeling?
For some reason, I have a strange urge to obey everything you say.
Yeah, you probably should get out of bed.
I don't want to.
Just get up. Okay, good. That means Cody and I did work on you. All right, here's your orders. Follow me and Hoover, but like don't let him see you. I don't want him to know I'm doing this.
Okay.
I still don't trust him. You know?
Okay. Well, why not? Why don't you trust him?
He's done a lot of things to me. He's killed a lot of people I know. If he does another thing to me, I think I might snap.
All right, Kurt. Ooh.
You mind if I take this jacket?
Oh yeah, sure.
It's kind of dripping, you know.
Yeah, you know. Thanks for.
Okay, Hoover, what's the plan?
Well, this right here is a transponder.
All right.
See, this is a gym actually. It's hidden here. So this right here will take us to New York City.
All right.
Once we're there, we're gonna have to find the E Tower,
Okay.
which has another transponder, which can take us to New Zealand.
What after that?
After that, well, we can cross that bridge when we get to it. But first, we gotta wait for this.
All right.
Look, Kurt. I guess all I can say is I'm sorry. I did horrible things to you, killing Kamikaze, sending Eisenhower after you, and trying to kill you. But enemy of an enemy, right?
Hoover, let me get this straight. Put your fucking hand down. We are not friends. We're not allies. We're not partners. We are business partners in a transaction. That being me letting you live so we can save the world. You've done horrible things to people. You killed to get ahead. You gassed World War I veterans because they wanted money. You are a heartless monster. Cyborg or not, there was no heart inside of you.
Well, fair
You
enough.
deserve to burn the deepest pit of hell.
You know, I saw this on the news. You know, there was the. Have you heard of the night scene where this guy he pulls out an AK-47?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Ah, never mind. Wait a minute, I think we're here.
Oh, fucking finally.
Alright. Should be New York.
Alright, let's go.
And I have something for you.
Yeah.
With this mask.
Okay. Yeah, that should help me.
Alright. Let's go.
Alright. Move away. Shot.
Alright. Right here's the control, so the train's high. Should work.
What's happening?
There's a problem. We're gonna have to wait a little longer.
Fuck, what car's coming? Alright. I'm gonna pull it out.
Hold them on. Alright, let's go upstairs.
God, killing ass.
Get back. Here.
Okay. Thank you, give me ammo. Why would they go looking this way when you fought me? Take the cover.
So I've been researching, looking into this guy. I don't know. His name's Obama. Check him out.
Obama. He's balling. He's balling.
Yeah, sir.
Interesting. So, what about him?
I don't know. He looks like just someone of interest.
Yes, we could look into him. I'll get some guys to look into it.
Okay. Yes, sir.